Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup. So if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are gonna create this monochromatic orange look and I really like it, and in this video I'm testing out the NYX Sweet Cheeks cream formula, and this is a beautiful blush and I have it on my cheeks, of course. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so in today's video we are gonna film on monochromatic eye makeup, and I'm gonna test for the first time the Sweet Cheeks by NYX in the cream form. It's a blush mousse and this shade is called Almost Famous. It's a beautiful orange. I mean, I hope it is because I didn't open it yet. I have foundation, some powder under my and my brows, so everything will be listed down below that I have on my face. So let's start by using this guy. I will put a bit of it on the back of my hand, and this color, oh, it's just beautiful. I'm very excited. So I will use the back of my sponge and just put it in here, and then I will use a tissue and just pat it in a bit and then apply it on my face, because I have no idea if this one is pigmented, and it is. And I'm a bit scared of it, so I want to apply it gradually. Oh, it's so beautiful. And it seems that it's blending easily. I really like it. It's a very beautiful color. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'll clean a bit under here with the other side of the sponge. Okay, so let's apply a bit more of the Fenty powder. I have a bit in the cap. I'm gonna put just a bit under and in here, just to set a bit. And then I will apply a bit of highlighter as well. This one is the Becca one. I think I want to apply just a bit more blush. So let's see if I put it directly, I can blend it out. Oh, oh no, blend it. Yeah, I think I can blend it out like this as well. But I think on the back of the hand is safer. Because this applicator is like lipstick applicator. So first impression of the blush, like the application, like the color, oh, so beautiful. And yeah, so it's great at the moment. So let's apply some lipstick as well. I bought another shade in the Dose of Color matte liquid lipstick. This shade is called Old Flame, and I will put I'll put first the NYX pencil on the lips and then apply this one. So these are the lips. I really like the color. It's a bit unusual for me, but I like orange, so I like all colors, but for the lips I usually prefer a more pinky nude or just a nude, but I like it. I really like orange. So let me zoom you in and let's do the eyes. Okay, so the eyes are already primed. Let's do some orange eyeshadows as well. I will use the BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles palette, and this brush is a Zoeva 234, and I will take this shade. It's called D405, and I'll put it in here. And just blend this shade into the crease. Pastels are usually just perfect for the crease. So we are starting with this. I'll put a bit on the lower lash as well. And with the same brush, I will take this color from the Metropolis palette is called Ripe, and I will put it in the same shape, just maybe a bit lower if possible, but we are gonna go back and forth and blend the shades. I think the first shade pulled a bit more pinky, and this one is a true orange, so we are gonna use a bit more of this. And it's very, very close to the lips. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and the same shade that I used earlier and just blending the edges a bit. And if you think you went overboard, just take a clean brush and blend a bit more the edges. I'm using a small brush and the shade the Abbey, which is the white, and I'm highlighting the brow bone a bit. I want to keep it matte. Now with the finger I will take this shade, it's called Helena, and we are gonna put it on the lid. Blending again with the orange. And the last shade I'm applying just the white in the inner corner. Just a bit of the heels on top because I want a bit of shimmer. Let me apply some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so the look is done. I really like it, and let's talk about the product. So I really love the Dose of Color liquid lipstick formula. So this is not a surprise, I really like it, and I think this orange is very, very flattering, so I don't think my teeth look more yellow. So I really like this shade of orange. And the blush, I love the color. It's pigmented, but it was easy to blend. And yeah, I like it. Of course, I will use it a lot more and talk about it in the next videos, but yeah, I like it. So if you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.